Hi all. If you're trying to access the Writing Matters textbook so you can read the chapters assigned, I just want to walk you through how to do that. Each week you have an Explore the Content section before it says what's due on Wednesday, what's due on Saturday. Under here is going to be textbook readings, read, and then here's a link to McGraw-Hill Connect. Click that link. You have to open in a new window. And then while it might be intuitive to click on the book, that's not what you do here. You click on this little connect button at the bottom. And then the student view is like this. These are the various assignments you get assigned later in the course, starting in week 2. But over here's the book itself. You see it says read, there it is. Here's a way to download the mobile app so you can read it. But click on there. And it'll tend to ask if you want to go to the last place you were. So this happens to be right what you need to read for this week, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. So that's how you do that. Sorry, it takes a few clicks to get in, but it's better than it was this morning. I got it at least to get it in each of the weeks under the content that you explore. So hope that is helpful. English 141, whatever week we're on, go to your Explore section. It'll have your readings, and there's the initial click to get into the book. Okay, still enjoying your introductions. Keep those coming through tomorrow night. Bye-bye.